Welcome back to Psych Insight, where we view the world through the lens of psychology. If you find this content helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to join our community and stay updated with our latest insights. Thank you for watching. Rule number 6. Set your house in perfect order before you criticize the world. This rule urges individuals to take responsibility for their own lives before blaming or trying to fix external systems. Peterson draws from the idea that chaos begins internally, and only by confronting and organizing our personal challenges can we effectively engage with broader societal issues. Personal responsibility is crucial because it empowers us to take control of our lives, leading to personal growth and societal improvement. By addressing our own shortcomings and striving for order, we set a positive example and contribute to a better world. Personal responsibility is the cornerstone of meaningful action. Before attempting to fix the world, address your own failings and disarray. Order is the antidote to chaos. By organizing your immediate environment, both physically and emotionally, you gain clarity and strength to take on larger challenges. This balance between order and chaos is essential for a fulfilling life. Start small. Clean your room, manage your finances, and organize your daily schedule. These small acts of order create a ripple effect. Acknowledge your mistakes, accept where you've gone wrong, and take steps to correct those errors. Take incremental action. Tackle one area of disorder at a time, building momentum toward greater self-control. Peterson often references Nietzsche's idea of eternal recurrence and Viktor Frankl's logotherapy. These concepts emphasize the importance of responsibility in finding meaning in life. Blaming external factors or society is often a deflection of one's internal chaos. By confronting personal flaws, individuals gain credibility and authority to contribute meaningfully to external issues. This aligns with the existentialist view that personal growth stems from facing one's own limitations and striving for self-improvement. The principle applies beyond individuals. It can extend to families, organizations, and governments. Leaders and systems must ensure they are well ordered before attempting to enforce order on others. Thank you for watching. If you found this content helpful, please share, like, and subscribe to join our community and stay updated with our latest insights. Now that we've delved into the philosophy and psychology behind taking personal responsibility, let's explore how you can practically apply Rule 6 in your daily life. From organizing your workspace to setting personal goals, these steps can help you create a more ordered and fulfilling life. First, start with your immediate environment. A cluttered workspace can lead to a cluttered mind. Spend a few minutes each day tidying up your desk, organizing your files, and eliminating distractions. This simple act can significantly enhance your focus and productivity. Next, set clear, manageable goals. Break down larger objectives into smaller, actionable steps. This not only makes tasks less daunting, but also provides a sense of accomplishment as you check off each step. Remember, progress is progress no matter how small. Incorporate routines into your daily schedule. Consistency is key to maintaining order. Whether it's a morning routine to kickstart your day or an evening routine to wind down, these habits can create a sense of stability and predictability in your life. Lastly, don't forget to periodically review and adjust your plans. Life is dynamic, and flexibility is crucial. Regularly assess what's working and what's not, and be willing to make changes as needed. By implementing these practical steps, you can create a more structured and intentional life, and remember to take the first step towards order today. Let's dive into real-life examples of individuals who have successfully implemented Rule 6. These stories will provide you with actionable insights and inspiration. Meet Sarah, a busy entrepreneur who struggled with maintaining order. By dedicating 15 minutes each evening to organize her tasks, her productivity soared. She tackled her to-do list with a clear mind, leading to better outcomes. John, a college student, was overwhelmed by academic deadlines. He organized his study space and created a weekly planner. This simple change improved his grades and reduced stress. These case studies show how practical steps can lead to profound changes. Remember, the journey to order starts with a single step. As you embark on your journey towards personal responsibility and order, it's essential to be aware of common pitfalls. Understanding these traps will ensure your efforts are smooth and effective. One frequent pitfall is setting overly ambitious goals. While aiming high is commendable, unrealistic goals can lead to frustration. Break down objectives into smaller, manageable steps. This makes goals more attainable and allows you to celebrate small victories. Another trap is the all-or-nothing mindset. Believing that perfection is necessary can be paralyzing. Instead, adopt a growth mindset and embrace mistakes as learning opportunities. Procrastination is another significant hurdle. Use techniques like the Pomodoro technique to maintain focus. Lastly, don't forget the importance of self-care. Taking care of your mental and physical health is crucial for sustained success. By being aware of these pitfalls and implementing strategies, you'll maintain order and personal responsibility. In the journey of life, starting with small steps toward order can lead to profound transformations. By setting your house in order, you not only create a sense of stability within yourself, but also become a beacon of clarity and strength for those around you. Remember, every great change begins with one thoughtful action. So, take a moment to reflect, tidy up a corner of your world, and embrace the process of growth and responsibility. Until next time, keep exploring the potential within you and the beauty in bringing harmony to your life.